Thank you everyone for coming today. It's a real pleasure. My name is Henry Sang. I am the Director for Business Development. And I'm joined by our founder and CEO, Mr. Seok-Jung Lee, our CTO, Mr. Ki-won Yoon, and also Mr. Sunbae Bak, who is the president of LAON People America. And this is particularly great for us because this feels like a coming out party because we have been working in this field for many years. So while a lot of people are coming to this conference trying to think about edge cameras for the first time, we were able to share with you examples of what we've been doing of this for the last few years. So we started out in industrial and manufacturing environments looking at electronics. You know, these are camera assemblies, PC boards, wafers, and things like this, which were very, require very fine analysis of defects for these products. And we expanded that on into many different areas. And as you see on the right side of this slide, we've actually now moved much more towards solutions that are for customer-facing applications, which we'll be talking about today. Now, today's talk, we're primarily going to concentrate on Edge AI because that's the topic of this conference. However, we are practitioners of AI vision solutions across the board. It doesn't have to be on the edge. And in fact, there are many cases where LAON People has had to work in a hierarchical system. So you have edge cameras and you have controllers and you have corridor managers. And so it can be a very complex thing when you really deal about the whole business solution, the problem to the business as opposed to just the vision component. That's one thing I will ask you to always think about. I thought yesterday's talk by Bill Pearson was actually particularly interesting when he started to talk about domain-specific architectures, because in fact, that's what we need to do a lot is look at domain-specific architectures.